really don't like the adjustable bridge that is with this Ephiphone guitar. I think what I'm going to do is take a piece of this rosewood, cut a blank, and fill the slot. I should be able to get that in there. You won't even be able to tell. But the only problem is there is some wood that has broken off between the bridge pin holes and the old slot. So I think I can do a little fill with sawdust and super glue. Sand that all back. You won't even see that. You shouldn't see it. It's following the grain perfectly. All right, let me show you how I do that. First I need to measure this slot. 251, 250, 243. So it's a 1/4 inch slot. So I'll go ahead and mark off 250 on this, 252. I'll score a little line on this piece of rosewood. I have a slight little line there. I can do a piece of tape and then I'll cut it on the bandsaw. A little oversize, and then I'll kind of plane it down to shape. Be right back with that finish piece. So now I have this blank that's a bit oversized and square. It's about 290 thousandths wide. I need to get it down to 250. So I think I'm just going to sand it. So I've got my blank. Sitting down in the slot. I should maybe take some off the top before I completely glue it down. I'll just put a line mark around it. I can cut it maybe on the bandsaw. I'll leave about I don't know, a 1/16 of an inch maybe. Yeah, I'll be right back. Because where it needs to get fill is so close to where the bridge pin is, I feel like if I put glue in there, it's just going to fall down into those holes and drop inside the guitar. And I need to build kind of a little wall around those holes that are opened up at the top. So I'm taking some old dowel pins and wax paper. Just going to place them down inside here. Now I can put some dust all around these pins and start to drop in some super glue. I have to do this a few times. The first one just sort of hopefully seals everything up. It's making that smoke. pretty much going to do the whole perimeter because I don't really think it needs it on the back side so much, but definitely in the front was all giving way. I'll get you a closer look. It looks horrible right now. Right now it looks pretty scary looking. Just a little bit of gap there. I'm gonna sand this down and see where it's at. Probably have to do a couple more fills. I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. So here's what it looks finished and filled. You can definitely see the insert. You look close. But once I get a saddle in there, I'll route this out, put a new saddle in there, string it up.